Here we are, just another day in paradise. Nah, just another day anticipating paradise.
I've spent the last few days in the office and writing lessons. My brain is mush, so the whole time I've been in there the last few days, I've been hearing these guys back there somewhere cutting up wood for a fence, a garden fence they're trying to build. So I decided to take the morning and go help them, spend some time with the guys. But sometimes swinging an axe is a little more fun than sitting in the office. But anywho. Lubno, nepi mo miyaw. Oh. Woo! Ooh, we just dug these things out of the mud down there. These guys are 10 times stronger than I could ever hope to be, but sometimes being fat comes in handy. Pulling these things out of the mud, he was having a hard time with it. So they're going to split these, and then like you're seeing over there, they're using them as like fence boards. Not posts really, but I guess kind of like posts. They're going to make a huge fence that starts here, is up the mountain, and joins with another fence to try to keep the wild pigs out. Took me all 4 seconds to get hot and sweaty. Woo! So I'm here with my buddy Lubin. And we've been splitting these logs I was saying they're going to use for fence posts. Those guys are doing the same thing. I am soaking wet with sweat and dirty. That guy's dry as a bone. Look at the arms on that kid. He's probably about 15 or 16. Anyway, I always talk about how hard the life is here. You know, it's not like you run down to Home Depot and get a roll of chain link and make a fence to keep pigs out. But, you know, for these guys, their garden, you know, it's their life. There's nowhere else to get food, so if they don't garden, they don't live. So this is a part of it, is making fences and stuff. So, yeah, we'll do a nappy of it. He's saying he's splitting the logs for the fence. Flati mi biawa. He's happy, mama. And then later he's going to plant them. So I'll follow me to many efna. Many efna. Quelque ala Simon mapi mola nambia la. Yeah, we've no more ala. Awe mam women for la follow me He's talking about the pigs, wild pigs, and the domestic pigs are there coming in, so they're planting that's the word they use, actually planting the fence, but you know, you're driving it to the ground. But anyway, Hewa life. So they're telling me that the flying foxes, the great big fruit bats that eat my popos at night, they eat the popo and then they come sit in this tree and they poop all over the ground down there. Popo out. So they called him a name, but I'll leave it out. But yeah, they said to come over here and sit in the trees and poop. Wait! Oi, por la culpa. Yeah. Gotta watch what I'm doing.
Gotta just consider the birds. Ornithology.